Hey everyone, welcome back to Branco AutoFix, your trusted guide for modern car repair tips. Today, we're talking about 5 warning signs of a bad spark plug and how to know if your spark plugs are causing trouble before they leave you stranded. A small spark plug might look simple, but it's one of the most important parts of your engine's performance. If your spark plug goes bad, your engine won't run smoothly, or at all. Let's get into the real signs you should watch out for. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to get helpful tips. Sign Darn 1. Rough idle and engine vibration. If your car feels like it's shaking or vibrating more than usual while standing still, your spark plugs might be misfiring. What to check? Listen for uneven engine sound while idling. Check if the RPM needle is moving up and down. This happens because one spark plug is not firing properly, which makes your engine run on fewer cylinders. Sign number 2. Slow acceleration. If your car feels lazy or struggles to gain speed, especially when climbing hills, bad spark plugs could be the reason. Modern cars depend on precise ignition timing to deliver power. When the spark plug is worn out, it can't ignite the fuel mixture properly, which means less power. What to do? Try accelerating hard. If the car feels sluggish with no power, it's time to check the spark plugs. Sign number 3. Engine misfire or jerking. This is one of the most common signs of a bad spark plug. Your engine will feel like it's skipping or jerking while driving, especially when you press the gas pedal. In modern cars, even a small misfire will trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. Quick tip: if you're seeing P0300 or P0301-P0304 codes on your OBD scanner, it's most likely a spark plug or ignition coil issue. Sign number 4. Poor fuel economy. Noticed you're filling up your gas tank more often than usual? Bad spark plugs make your engine burn more fuel because they can't ignite the air-fuel mixture efficiently. If your fuel consumption goes up without any leaks, it's time to inspect your spark plugs. Sign number 5. Hard starting or no start. If your engine struggles to start, especially in the morning or in cold weather, worn-out spark plugs could be the reason. In modern cars, one weak spark plug can delay the ignition timing or completely stop the engine from starting. Bonus sign number 6. High exhaust emissions. A weak spark plug can cause incomplete combustion, which creates more black smoke and higher emissions. What to check? If your car is failing the emissions test, if you're seeing more black smoke from the exhaust. Bonus sign. 7. Engine knocking sound. Bad spark plugs can mess up your ignition timing, causing the engine to make a knocking or pinging sound when accelerating. If you're hearing strange metallic noises from your engine, check the spark plugs immediately. Bonus sign number 8. Check engine light, steady light. Modern cars are smarter. Even without rough idle or jerking, some cars will show the check engine light if the spark plugs are weak. Use an OBD scanner to confirm the codes before replacing the spark plugs. How to fix it? Always replace spark plugs with the recommended type for your engine. Check the gap size before installing. If your car is newer with coil-on-plug systems, also check the ignition coils. When to replace spark plugs? Petrol cars, every 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers. Iridium spark plugs, every 100,000 kilometers. If you're not sure, always check your car's owner's manual. Conclusion: bad spark plugs might seem like a small issue, but ignoring them can cause bigger engine damage and even catalytic converter failure. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't wait too long. Replace your spark plugs before they leave you stuck on the road. Thanks for watching Branco AutoFix, your #1 guide for car repair tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car repair tips. Got any questions or facing car problems? Drop your comment below, and we'll help you out. Stay tuned for more real-time car repair tips to keep your car running like new. See you in the next video. Branco AutoFix. Fix your car, fix your life.